Hi, Sebastian. Thank you for sending a video demonstration of what's going on. That definitely, I think, should help me explain it to you again. Okay, or in a different way, sorry. So when I click on my feather tool right now, my feather is already set to 30, and I haven't made a selection yet. You need to set the feather prior to making the selection. So if I saw in the video correctly, your feather was set to 0. You made your selection, then changed your feather to 30, select inverse, delete. So that is the result you would get. This does not have a feather of 30, okay, does not, because the feather was set after the selection. So what we need to do is my feather is now set to 30, make my selection, select inverse. Now my feather is working. You must set the feather prior to making the selection. Good luck and let me know if this helps.